Tyler's hitting the baseball, and Jazzy's fetching the apples. Oh yeah, they're apples, not baseball. Get it, Jazz. Oh, and there's Mills. She's just being a Cinderella over here. Cinderella. Cinderella, Cinderella. Hey, Jazz, what do you got? You got apples?
I'm sleeping.
Oh, on the outside. Not pulling that one, isn't it? Got another one?
Jazzy's ready for another one.
This one's really deep color.
Whoa. Whoa, Jazz. Where'd it go, Jazz?
It's over the next yard. I don't have any.
Oh yeah, it went over the fence. I don't know if my sister will like her in the garden. Come on, Jazz, let's get a different one. Oh.
Here you go.
Oh wow. Come on, Jazz, that one's gone.
Candy.
Okay, don't get my camera wet, please. Did you not hear me? Okay, yeah, I do want a new camera, but that's not the way I want to get a new one. Hey, Molly.
Hey, Ma. Hey, Cobb.
Jazzy loves to fetch, even if it's fetching apples.
Good. Here we are. Over here. Over here.
I need to make this one.
Not very much of this one left.
It's falling.
Yeah, there's not very much of this one left.
Jazzy will be your catcher.
You want to get behind the plate? Over here.
Hope no one was over there. Okay, one more.
Nice cut.
Whoa! That one went right to her.
There's not much of that one left.
Hey, Jazz. You got your own apple? An old icky apple?